Whether you've only recently been thrust into the world of hybrid work and remote computing, or you've been following this industry for years, I am sure you've noticed that the promise of working from anywhere, efficiently and securely, hasn't met up with the reality you're experiencing. Over the years, a parade of legacy technology solutions, such as running VPNs, web apps, and remote desktops, have all attempted to meet this challenge. But the promise of remote desktop computing has largely been unfulfilled due to competing priorities and budget constraints. There's always been a trade off between the performance of the environment, the level of security that can be achieved, and the available budget for the project. It almost seems like you can pick two, but never all three. For example, you could have a fast and affordable environment by cutting corners on security, or a fast and secure environment by spending an arm and a leg. With Spot PC by NetApp, we're delivering on all three without cutting corners. Now you can actually work anywhere and never compromise. First, let's cover performance and the end user's experience. Over the decades in this space, we've learned countless lessons and developed just as many best practices to ensure we get the best out of our environments. All these lessons have guided our design for Spot PC. However, the most important factors impacting performance remain constant: memory and CPU allocation, storage performance, and the speed of the end user's connection into the environment. For Spot PC, we have a bias for performance. We generously allocate RAM and CPU. We optimize the storage layer with Azure files, upgrading to Azure NetApp files where appropriate. And since we've built Spot PC on Azure, there are gateways all over the world ensuring practically all users have crisp access to their cloud desktop. Next, let's talk about security. Spot PC was built with security at its center. We're including and integrating with premium security tools, such as Microsoft Defender for Cloud, which shows your environment security score right inside the Spot PC console, along with security alerts and recommendations you can act upon. We've taken additional steps, including supporting Azure Conditional Access, performing third party penetration testing, and designing an architecture to keep each company's data, even metadata like usernames, contained within their own Azure tenant, fully addressing data residency concerns. There's so much more to cover on the topic of security, and we'll cover them in future conversations. Finally, let's talk about the economics of Spot PC. Each of the investments we've made to maximize performance and security add to our cost of service delivery. Typically, you'd expect a premium service like Spot PC to come with a premium price tag, but we've got one more trick up our sleeves. Using proprietary AI technology from Spot by NetApp, we're able to deliver Spot PC, a premium service, at a fraction of a premium price. This exclusive technology gives us unique insight into the resources required to support each environment and automates the most efficient purchasing strategy to acquire these resources from Azure all in real time and all at a fraction of the cost. Without this advantage, most other solutions rely on 1 to 3 year RI contracts just to get into the same ballpark. We know that MSPs need to be more nimble than that. Our partner program was intentionally designed to support your MSP business model. The prices are simple to understand, fixed and predictable, month to month, and enable MSPs to offer their customers a premium white labeled service, all while realizing very strong margins. There's so much more to cover. I hope you get a chance to talk to our team, review our documentation, and see that Spot PC really does allow your customers to work from anywhere and never compromise.